I was going through some videos about Einstein and relativity, and that brought me to the channel Up and Down by Ms Jade. And when I went through her videos, I came across this video which is titled The Dome Paradox, a Loophole in Newton's Law, and where she was discussing a paper published by Professor John Norton. And so I googled it, and then I found his paper, and I saw that this paper was prepared for the symposium. So this is not a peer reviewed journal paper. So but still we will go through it. And so I tried to understand what Professor Norton is saying. And as I was going through, I came across page number 3, and when he explains everything, and he writes that its magnitude, so the force magnitude, is that of the component of the gravitational force tangent to the surface, which is g sine theta, where theta is the angle between the tangent to the surface in the radial direction and the horizontal. Well, at the apex, the theta is 0 because the radial tangent is horizontal. And so if theta is 0, g sine theta will be 0, and sine theta is 0. So here dh by dr is 0, and force is 0, acceleration is 0, and this whole thing is like irrelevant. It's just a mathematical thing. And so here I saw that even though Professor Norton is discussing about time, but what he did is he took sine theta as non-zero. The moment he took sine theta as non-zero, dh by dr is not 0. That means he actually moved the ball from the apex of the dome. And how did he do it is just mathematics. It is not about any like some other force or something, some like as he claimed, like it's not determined or anything. It's just I see as a like problem in the logic. The at here at the dome's apex, the ball will experience gravitational force perpendicular right here in this line. And so there is g sine theta. If you take in this direction, there is no force in horizontal direction. The moment you take here, go here, then sine g theta will have some non-zero value, and then ball will roll. But otherwise it will not roll. So the whole equations later on derived by professor are kind of like irrelevant or just like mathematical exercise. Well, but I'm not a physicist nor a mathematician. So, but it's like simple observation reveals that g sine theta, where the theta is angle between tangent of surface to the surface in the radial direction and the horizontal, and that is 0, sine theta is 0, and that's like basic physics. But anyway, this is my take on this paper and the video by Ms Jade, and thank you for watching.